In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional logic in Zoho Forms. We'll start from sign in and walk through field rules, page rules, form rules, and conditional formulas so you can tailor each respondent's experience and automate what happens after submission. Open your browser and search for Zoho. From the results, head to the official Zoho site and sign into your account. From the app launcher, select Zoho Forms. Find the form you want to edit, open it in the Builder, and click the Rules tab at the top. Let's begin with field rules, which control what fields show or hide based on answers. In the left panel, choose Field Rules and click Configure Now. In the top right corner, click the plus Add Rule button. In the If section, define your conditions by choosing a field, selecting an operator such as is or contains, and entering the value to match. If you have more than one condition, use the Any option for OR logic or All for AND logic. In the Then section, pick an action like Show or Hide and select the fields you want to display or conceal. When you're happy with it, click Add to save the rule. Keep your conditions specific so rules don't conflict, and name them clearly to make maintenance easier. If your form has multiple pages, page rules help you guide people to the right page. Go back to the Rules tab and select Page Rules from the left panel. Click Configure Now, then choose the page where the condition should be checked. Click plus Rule to create one. In the If section, set the conditions just like before. In the Skip to section, choose the page respondents should go to when the conditions are met. In the Finally section, specify the fallback page to use when no page rule matches. Click Add to save. A clear fallback prevents dead ends and keeps navigation smooth. Next, form rules determine what happens after submission. From the Rules tab, pick Form Rules and click Configure Now. Choose whether the rule applies when a new record is submitted or when an updated record is submitted. In the If section, set the conditions. In the Then section, choose an action such as send email notifications, redirect respondents to a specific thank you page, or assign a task to a user. Click Add to save. Finally, for calculations that depend on conditions, add a formula field from Advanced Fields. In its properties, click the Formula button to open the Builder and choose Conditional Formula. Set your if-then logic by selecting fields and operators, then define the result when conditions are met, value 1, and when they aren't, value 2. Click Insert, then Done to add it to your form. That's it. Your form now adapts intelligently to each response.